Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me. So today is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Birchbox, and it is going to be my last Birchbox. I have cancelled my subscription. As you know, I've not been happy with the previous Birchboxes that I've got. So I had, I think this is my fourth one now that I've had from them, and I'm just not happy with what they've sent out to me. I don't believe that it was tailored to me. When you join, you have to fill in a quiz, and I don't believe that the products that they've sent out to me was tailored to me. The only products I've really liked, I'll talk about that at the end actually, and we'll talk about what Birchbox did get right. I think I need to get the card because I was reading it earlier and I think I've left it in the front room. Okay, so I've got the card just so I can tell you a bit about the products. So this month it came a little bit different. I just need to make sure I'm not showing you my address. So it came in a cardboard box like this, and normally it comes in a just like a pink standard Birchbox, and we got a tote bag instead of a box. So that's what it's looking like. The bag, they got it right with the bag, I've got to say. It is freaking cute. Let's see if I can show it you. So that's what it looks like, and it just says self-love is the best kind of love, and then Birchbox on the bottom, and I really do believe that is true. So let's have a look at the card. And it just says, hello Birchboxers, this month we are excited to be transforming your October Birchbox into a stylish tote bag, decorated with a very important reminder that self-love is the best kind of love. What's more, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and throughout the month we'll be sharing ways you can join us in championing early detection and supporting those undergoing cancer treatments. So yeah, I think that's really good that they've done that. Right, so what we're going to do now is just kind of like pull one thing out at a time. I'm not going to look inside the bag or anything. So the first thing is this, and this is the Kiss and Smink. It's just a cream blush, and if you've not watched the channel before, I don't really wear a lot of cream blushes. I have got a few in the collection, and I am trying to experiment a little bit more with cream blushes. This one is the Everything Tula Matte, I believe. I think it's the lightest one they had. Now I believe that you could have chosen the blusher that you wanted, but I didn't get an email or anything. So like I said, this one is the lightest one, and then there was like a reddish blusher as well, just for like deeper skin tones. And it says, Kiss and Smink, the Everything Tula, say goodbye to fiddly makeup brushes and hello to effortless creamy colour. This multi-purpose cream stick can be used on cheeks, lips, lids, well anywhere really, but best applied with fingers. Pat this pink shade with golden shimmer onto the high points of your face for a no-fuss flush of colour that flattens all complexions. And it says, did you know smink equals makeup in Swedish? Let's kiss and make up. So this is what it looks like. Suppose it is a nice colour. Right, I've not rubbed it in or anything. Let's rub it in. That's what it looks like on my skin tone. So this one is definitely for a lighter skin tone, and you can wear it as a lipstick as well as an eyeshadow. So it's universal, but not really me. It's not really a product that I would go out and buy, but that's what these boxes are for you to test them. I might come back in a few weeks and say, oh, I really love this, but it'll be too late by then anyway, because I've cancelled the subscription and I don't want to go back to Birchbox. So that's that. The next thing is this. Honestly, do not know why they put things like this in a box. So this is the Laboratories Chlorine Anti-Pollution Shampoo. So it's a shampoo and you get 25 mils. Right, so this one is an anti-pollution detox shampoo with aquatic mint. I don't like mint. In my experience, mint things that are in shampoos or facial cleansers are like tea tree oil, and I don't like things like that. We'll smell it in a minute. And it says this biodegradable shampoo deep cleans hair, wiping out impurities and polluting particles to rebalance your scalp. Formulated with aquatic mint, it leaves hair feeling light, airy and refreshed, plus it's ideal for all hair types. It's true, chlorines hair care solutions used pure plant extracts. No wonder it's the #1 hair care brand in European pharmacies. Right, so the full size of this would cost you £8. Let's smell it. No, it doesn't smell like tea tree oil. It smells like toothpaste. A mixture. I was watching somebody else's video and she was right. I'll leave her channel down in the I'll leave her channel down in the description so you can go and check it out. She got the exact same product as me, but it is a mixture of minty toothpaste and then mint sauce, the kind that you put on meat. It smells like that. I thought it might smell like tea tree oil, but it doesn't. Also, this blush, it is full size and it retails at £15. I don't think I would pay £15 for it. Unless it looks absolutely stunning on the cheeks. I can't put any on now just because obviously I've got blusher on. But yeah, that's that. The third thing is this. So it's the Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. Just looks like that. Oh, here we go. So it's great. It just says great skin starts with a great night's sleep. This mist, which is packed with hyaluronic acid, chamomile, lavender and CBD oil, works to hydrate, plump and smooth your neck and chest and lull you into a peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. Now this would be great if it didn't have CBD oil in. I can't use that just because it counteracts with a medication I'm on, so I'm not allowed to use that. I'll probably put it in a giveaway. It does say it's 99.9% natural, but I'm not going to take the chance of getting ill from it. It's got 10ml worth of product. I am working on a giveaway. We just hit 400 subscribers on the channel. I wasn't going to do anything until we hit that 500 subscriber mark because that was like my milestone subscriber. And I'm still going to do that. That's going to be a bigger giveaway, but I'm so appreciative of getting to 400. I want to do a smaller giveaway, and there'll be a few products that have come out of boxes, but there'll also be an eyeshadow palette in there as well. Maybe the one from Makeup Obsession, the In Love one, which has all those rose gold neutral tones, is absolutely stunning. Maybe I'll put that one in. Makeup Obsession, I'm being told you can't get in other countries, so that might be a good palette. And I also might put a little elf quad in as well. So yeah, it's only going to be really small, but that might be going up soon. Right, the next thing is this. So this is the Anna Sue Eye Makeup Remover. Just looks like that, so it's just a sample. And it says, infused with Anna Sue's tea rose scent, this double layered eye makeup remover smoothly sweeps away all traces of makeup without irritating the delicate skin around your eye. Packed with olive fruit oil and raspberry seed extract, it glides smoothly onto skin and removed even waterproof mascara without leaving a heavy residue. And then it says, pissed, shake the bottle well before use, pour a little onto a reusable cotton pad and gently sweep away makeup. Now, I don't really like rose scented things. Let's see if I'll be keeping this one. I can't really smell anything. Just putting out a little bit of it on my hand. that's okay. It's not really overpowering rose scent, it's more of a delicate scent. And then the last thing is this, and then we've got this shower gel. So it's got bergamot in it, so it's a body cleanser. It's nice and colourful, don't get me wrong, but I would have preferred to have something different in rather than a shower gel. So it's just saying that it's a Birchbox exclusive. It soothes and cares for your skin while lifting away dirt and impurities, suitable for sensitive skin. The foaming cream formula leaves skin feeling clean and soft, perfect for your morning shower ritual. And it says the back of the packaging has a very special description, especially for Birchbox subscribers. It says, a shower of love, feel free to embrace your inner Celine while belting out a chorus or two. Empowers everyone washing with it to take control of their health by checking their bodies for lumps, bumps and growths that might not feel right. Friends and family unfortunate enough to have to listen to your singing might just want to invest in a set of earplugs. Well, I live alone, so that doesn't really apply to me, but it's again another thing for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so I'll definitely be using this. And this one, it says regular retail price is £2. I don't know if this is full size. I'm not too sure, but yeah, that looks like that. It's really pretty packaging, like I've said. Then we've got the Anna Sue. That retails for £12 for the full size. It's got a really nice bottle. That's the bottle for the Anna Sue one. And I've told you, oh, for this, the regular retail price for it is £20. So it must be a pretty good spray then, if it's £20, because that's quite expensive. It's just a shame I can't use it, but I'd rather pass it on to someone that can, who maybe has sleeping problems as well. So yeah, that's that one. Like I said, I really do love the bag, but with Birchbox recently, I feel like when I signed up originally, I feel like after I filled in that quiz, the products that they sent out to me wasn't tailored to me. I'm going to get the products that I have liked, and I'll talk a bit about them. Okay, so let's start with highlighters, because we all know that I love highlighter. So this one is really nice. I've been using this week. When I pulled it out for my shop, my stash, it's just a really pretty highlighter. When I pulled it out, I thought it might be a little bit golden. I'm not wearing it today, but I have worn it in videos. So yeah, I thought it might be a bit too golden, but it looks really pretty on the skin when it's buffed out. This one I even really like. It's the Essence Moonlighter Cushion in apricot tinge. And I thought, because it looks really pink, I thought it's going to be way too dark for me, that, but it's not. The only thing that I don't like about this is the expiry date. Basically Birchbox put it in the throwback box, and you've only got 2 months to use it. Who can use a highlighter in 2 months? It's going to dry out completely, which is what I've told them. I thought they would at least offer me a different product, which is what great customer service would have been, but they didn't. So I kind of was a little bit, I don't know, a little bit sour about that. So that's those two products. Then we've got a mascara. I'm not 100% sure on how I feel about it, so I will bring you updates on this mascara. It's the Manakadar one in, I think it's very black, jet black. It's not the worst mascara I've used, but it does transfer onto the lids, as you will see in the previous video to this. I think this video though that I'm doing now will go up before the eye look that I've created with the Colourpop Going Coconuts. Will go up. That won't go up for a few weeks, but in a few weeks time you will see that it did transfer and that I had to put some eyeshadow over the top of it. And then we've got this Grace and Stella Rose Spray. Now I'm really surprised at this, guys. I thought I would hate it. I actually really like it and would definitely buy this product. I don't have to stay with Birchbox to buy it. I could I could buy it anywhere really. So that's that. And then we've got a couple of skincare products. Now this Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream I really like. I haven't noticed it's actually doing anything yet, but it is very moisturising. So yeah, I really do like that one. I would repurchase that. And then we've got the VQ Pineapple Glow Serum, and again I really like this. I don't notice it's giving my skin a glow. I mean, I do use other skincare products, so that might be why I'm not noticing it, but it does feel really nice on the skin, and I would definitely buy the full size in that. Again, I don't have to stay with Birchbox to get the products. I can get them off the website direct. So the reason I'm leaving Birchbox, as you know, is just because I've not been happy with the products that they've been sending me. I've been happy enough with the customer service. Like when I've had a problem, when they had the problem with the deliveries, they did sort that out, so I can't call them out for not sorting it out. The only thing I can call them out for is obviously they sent me a product that is due to expire in November and haven't done anything about it. So I'm just not happy to stay with them. So what I decided to do instead is go back to Glossybox. I've actually got the box here, so that will be an unboxing in the next video. And it does look, from the spoilers, it does look a lot better than Birchbox this month as well. And in next month's Glossybox you're getting an eyeshadow palette, which is a bit of a spoiler. If you live in the UK and you don't know which one to get, Birchbox or Glossybox, at the minute I would probably recommend Glossybox. But if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. Please click that subscribe button down below and the notifications bell, and please like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.